Hi, good people. Nice to meet you again. Let's come and join us here. Today we are going to show you how to make a mat with balloon twisting. So this is the sample. Let's prepare the balloon one by one, and you can use the same color like the video show you, or you can adjust it by yourself. Okay, first we take some size for the fingers bubble, and after that we make a small pin twist. Then we back to the fingers bubble in the same size. Okay, so just like that. Another one more here for the small pins. So we have it in two pieces for each part. Now we continue with the white color here, and then we just twist the nozzles in between of the small pin twists with the red color. After we tie the balloon, and then we twist with the fingers bubble and continue to the small pin twist for two pieces. For the rest of this balloon we discard, and don't forget to tie the balloon to lock the twisting. And we repeat the same thing in the other side. Make sure you make it the same size for the white color, and we twist that the other small pin twist. Okay, make it tidy by cutting the rest of the balloon. Alright, so for everyone, this is the made balloon. I hope you get the same thing with your own balloon and you can adjust the color by yourself. So depends your own color. So thank you to join us. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again with the next twisting. And please don't forget to support, just like this video and subscribe my channel. Then see you again with the next twisting. Thank you and bye bye.